Aloha, this is Minyong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, also broker in charge at Remax Honolulu. And welcome to Sky Ala Moana, Sky Terrace. I'm on my way to Sky Ala Moana. They're the newest condos in Honolulu, consisting of 2 towers, one of which has just been completed. People have started to move in. The 2 towers are in one lot. It's called Sky West and Sky East. There are different restrictions when it comes to the rental terms. West Tower units can be rented a minimum of 30 days as residences, while East Tower units can be rented nightly basis if you let Renaissance Hotel handle your unit on your behalf. Anyone can purchase a unit on the hotel side and decide whether to engage in the daily rental through the hotel program. There are 399 units in the West Tower and 300 units on the East Side Hotel. And there are 90 affordable units, but they do not have access to the amenities. Only 688 units from the East and West Towers have access to the amenities. There's the commercial space on the first floor of the East Tower. Right there across the street is Ala Moana Shopping Center. So let's go take a look. If you walk further south from the Ala Moana Shopping Center, you'll find the Ala Moana Beach Park. So a lot of people who are going to stay here, they don't really have to drive. Everything is so close by. This is the first lobby where the 2 towers meet. So on my left, there are Ala Moana Shopping Center and Ala Moana Beach Park. And on my right, there's Walmart. This is Renaissance Hotel Tower in the east. The lobby is still under construction. Looks fancy from the outside. So this is Sky Ala Moana and West Tower. Yeah. So let's see how the West Tower looks like. This is the Sky Ala Moana West Lobby. There are mailroom and 24-hour security. The theme of the lobby is very modern, feels clean and trendy, and ceiling heights is very high. There are many protective devices have been installed around the elevator to prevent potential damages during the moving process. So, how does the parking lot look like? So let's go up to the parking structure. The construction of the parking lot has not been completed yet. So you can see various building materials. In Hawaii, parking lots are divided into 3 sizes. First, compact. Only small cars can fit in. Mid-level standard parking lot, which can fit SUVs. And the last one is the largest parking stall used by handicapped. The size of guest parking stalls here are standard size parkings, which are pretty good. There are almost 1,000 parking lots, total of 991 spaces for both towers combined. So let's go to the elevators on the 2nd floor. The curtains in the elevator is covered to prevent scratches during the moving. There is a total of 43 floors. And this is how the hallway on the west side look like. The theme of the East Tower is darker, as I put it on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see how I did the inspection for my clients, you can see the link in the description. We're on the 8th floor amenity deck. There's so many things to do for you, for your guests. So let's do a quick tour and see if this is the right fit. Let's go. The ceiling height is 8 feet and 4.5 inches. So we're going outside to the amenity deck. We can see lots of blue tape construction materials everywhere. So this one is a gathering space. It's almost done, but there's some few things that they have to work on more. There's gathering rooms connected to the outside patio. It's equipped with barbecue, sink, and refrigerator. This is one of the gathering area with an outdoor barbecue and mini seating area. And then you can watch the pool. So if you have to supervise a minor, you can do so from here as well. Sky Ala Moana does not have a large land size, but there is a variety of amenities, and there are quite a lot. This floor is called the Sky Terrace. There is swimming pool, jacuzzi, gym, a sauna, a spa, party rooms, playgrounds, speed grills, dog park, and other things. This amenity deck is on the approximately 1.6 acre. So as it's a newly constructed condo, there are many assistive devices installed for people with disabilities. So little details like that makes a lot of difference, yeah. Pool chairs, there's so many of them, and they're all throughout the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool. So it starts from 3 feet to 4 feet. So it's a kid friendly. So the depth of the pool is pretty low. So just refrain yourself from diving. There are the swimming pool chairs around the swimming pool. Sky Terrace has 2 jacuzzis and 2 swimming pools, so there are 4 in total. The water is supposed to be warm, but when I touched it, it wasn't warm yet. But there was no smell of chlorine. Let's go to the lap pool. This is 68 feet, which is about 21 meters. I'm going to run to show you how long this is. I think this is the longest lap pool that condo has in Oahu. Everything is measured in meters, which is very helpful. So there are pool shower installed, so you can wash yourself before you go back to your unit. And this is a bar area. It's still under the construction. But once it's completed, it would be nice to have a Mai Tai after long hours of swim. The East Tower will be completed in December, so I hope the bartender comes around that time. Okay, there's a great lawn. There was no great lawn before Park Lane, but after Park Lane had one great lawn, everyone started to have great lawns. It gives you a lot of natural feeling in a city urban life. There are 4 barbecue cabanas just on this side, and there are 3 more on the other side, and many sitting areas as well. So I just wanted to say between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. there was still a lot of sunlight, but the Great Lawn is surrounded by 3 different buildings. So it didn't get much sunlight after that. So I think it'd be good if you don't like the sun as much. So this is one of the cabanas with a full barbecue grill, which is Wolf gas stove. And there's a full-size sink and tables ready. So if you have guests over, you guys can swim, play around on the Great Lawn, and have a barbecue after. Oh, there's a bar right there. We're going to the East Tower. The East Tower has a gym, sauna, a spa, and the East Renaissance Hotel can also be purchased by an individual and rent through the hotel. These 2 condos have different features. So if you want to see other videos regarding Sky Ala Moana, please see the links below. East Tower has a higher ceiling height. At this side, Renaissance Hotel manages it. That explains the higher ceiling height. And on this side, the view is a lot better. And then of course, it means price is a lot higher. The spa area is still under the construction. And there are cold and hot bath, sauna, and steam room. And there's outdoor bathhouse. It looks just like Park Lane. I'm gonna tell you that. So let's go to the gym, which is located in the East Tower. West Tower residences can actually come here and use the fitness. Equipment are newer, and there are many free weights and weight machines are on this side. The behind it, you can see swimming pool. There's so many equipment, which I don't know what they are. Because I don't work out. This is more cardio side. So this is about 2,600 square feet fitness. which includes the outside fitness. This is the yoga room. It's quite spacious. And this is the yoga room. Has a screen TV. There's a TV installed, and you can watch various exercise clips. There are gym balls, dumbbells, yoga mats. They're all available. This is outdoor fitness, adult playground. 이건 뭐야? Huh? And you can also see the lap pool connected from here. And as we go a little further to the west, there are so many chairs ready. There are many sunbeds outside. If sunlight is too strong, you can use these sun umbrellas. There are many sun umbrellas. So if you want to have enough sun, just not too much, then you can simply use them as well. And as we go a little further to the west, a lot of spaces that made for kids or family. These spaces are separated from the hotel side. Only on the west side, there are many party rooms. There's no party room in the east side. They're separated from the hotel residences. So let's keep them away from the bar. Here you can play chess. I think I knew how to play chess before, which I don't remember much. Come to think about it, Ali was supposed to have this on their amenities. It turns out they didn't. But this time, they really made it happen, which is quite nice. So, East Tower guests cannot enter to this side. This area is only for West Side residences. Compared to other condos in Honolulu, this playground is relatively very big. So I'll tell you about this property. There are 4 rooms without the toilet. Sky's the limit. 이게 뭐지? Do you know how to play this? Oh, by the way, that is the Central, which was completed back in 2021. But I think parents with young kids will really like it and make the best use out of it. What is really unique is that they separated the hotel guests from the resident side. And there's so many amenities. There's a dog park. So it takes a lot to see everything. There's so many things to do. There are also speed grills. You know how it's a little bit uncomfortable to cook fish in the kitchen? So feel free to come down and use them so you can keep your unit clean. There are 3 more cabanas on this side, and there's a big lawn in the middle. So it's great to run around. Don't you think this is the biggest playground you've seen in Honolulu? So we're finally done with the outside tour, so let's go to the inside. There's also a playroom for kids, and there are 2 sinks, so you can clean your hands. This is my favorite place in Sky Ala Moana, Amenity. It's called Social Room, very big. So this is the social room. You can have 40 to 50 people invited. Has a full kitchen. And then it's connected to the outside. So let's take a look at the kitchen. So they're still working on the refrigerator, but it's gonna come right here. Bosch cooking appliances. I wonder why it's so short. And there's a sink. I'm sure dishwasher is Bosch as well. Yes, Bosch appliances. And there's an AC working, so it actually really feels good here. And there's an installed sound system, so it would be good to invite people to watch movies or YouTube channel. Hawaii Minyong. So it's called White Table Room, and it has a full kitchen. It looks more upscale than other rooms. It's equipped with full kitchen. There's also wall TV, so it might be a good place to have a meeting as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact Minyong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, also a broker in charge at Remax Honolulu. I look forward to hear from you. Mahalo! Energy.